In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change and update your Docusign signature in just 5 minutes. Docusign is a leading platform in electronic signatures and intelligent agreement management. Whether you're updating a new job title, changing your name, or simply wanting a different signature style, these straightforward steps will guide you through the process efficiently and effectively. First, let's head over to Docusign's official website. Once you are there, you'll want to locate and click the Login button, which is typically found on the top right corner of the homepage. Enter your login credentials and you'll be directed to the Docusign homepage. This page is your launchpad for all things Docusign, allowing you to manage your documents with ease. Next, navigate to your profile by looking in the top navigation menu. You'll see an option labeled Profile. Clicking on it will take you to a more detailed view of your account settings. Here you can manage all your personal information, including your signature. Within your profile, look for and select Manage Profile. This option will typically be found alongside others like personal information, security settings, and user preferences. Once you've clicked it, you'll be directed to an area of the site where you can adjust critical aspects of your Docusign identity. Now focus on the left-hand side menu and find the option titled Signatures. Clicking on this will take you to a dedicated section for managing your existing signatures. If you have previous signatures saved, you should see them displayed here. At this stage, you can choose to either edit an existing signature or create a brand new one. For minor changes like adjusting the style or size, you can simply click on the pen icon next to your current signature. If you're creating a new signature from scratch, select the option to add one. This feature is particularly useful if you need different signatures for different contexts. Remember, your electronic signature represents you across all the documents you sign, so it's important to ensure it's up to date and accurately reflects your current needs. Once you've made your desired changes, be sure to save them before exiting the profile settings. You'll want to confirm that your new signature is active, which you can do by sending yourself a test document. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've updated your Docusign signature. This simple process ensures that your electronic signature is always correct and representative of the image you want to project. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has made managing your Docusign account just a little bit easier. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tech tips.